Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're working with RAW or a minimally compressed file because correction range matters. Once done, pick a neutral patch. Use a gray card or sample a neutral pixel in the scene to set white balance and remove gross color bias. Make sure to disable any global LUTs or camera profiles that add tint. This prevents double correction. Then set exposure and recovery roughly right so color adjustments behave predictably. Don't chase color on a clipped histogram. Now you target the green cast directly. Start by nudging tint toward magenta in small increments, checking a neutral sampler. This fixes broad tint quickly. Once balanced, open RGB curves or the channel mixer. Slightly lower the green channel midtones while lifting red or blue midtones to restore skin and neutral tones. Use selective HSL adjustments to shift green hue back toward natural and reduce saturation only where the cast dominates, preserving foliage texture and mid-tone luminance for realistic results. Finish by comparing before and after with a split view. Confirm neutral sampler reads near neutral values. Apply subtle global vibrance instead of full saturation to avoid oversaturated corrections, and add gentle contrast to restore punch. If residual green remains in highlights or shadows, create targeted local masks and adjust channel mixer or HSL there. This isolates problem zones without ruining the whole image. If things still look off, reset the profile and repeat white balance sampling. That step fixes stubborn profile-induced green casts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.